Partnering with Innocomm and their manufacturing arm Domex gives insperien access to Taiwan's world-class electronics ecosystem, including engineering and manufacturing under one roof. Through agile co-development, we iterate hardware, tooling, and firmware in real time, cutting development cycles from months to weeks. By leveraging deep supplier relationships, including Innocomm's partnership with leading semiconductor company MediaTek, we scale production cost-effectively without ever compromising quality.
Innocomm and Domex are part of the same corporate group. Innocomm is one of the leading design companies, and Domex is one of the leading manufacturing companies. They provide strong and advanced end-to-end service spanning PCBA level to system level fabrication. Despite the demand volatility, they still deliver outstanding quality management with very fast manufacturing cycle time and high manufacturing flexibility to ensure our inspiring product built to excellence.
The result is superior products delivered faster and at competitive costs, powered by our seamless joint development and manufacturing partnership.